Hey, what's up guys? Today, we're reviewing on the Canon MAXIFY GX2020 MegaTank all-in-one printer. And if you're working from home, running a small business, or just tired of dealing with overpriced cartridges, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. The GX2020 is part Canon's MegaTank lineup, which means it's built around refillable ink bottles instead of those tiny, expensive cartridges. And what you get out of a single set is impressive. Up to 3,000 black and white pages and 3,000 color. That's some serious page yield. And for people doing real business level printing at home, that adds up to huge savings and fewer interruptions. Now setup is straightforward. You got options: USB, wired LAN, and dual band Wi-Fi. It's fully compatible with PCs, mobile devices, and even Chromebooks, which is great to see. The 2.7-inch color touchscreen makes navigation smooth and simple, way better than those clunky button-only interfaces from older models. Print speeds? You're looking at about 15 pages per minute for black and white, and around 10 for color. Very respectable for this form factor. And speaking of that, the design is compact but functional, with a clean white finish that actually fits into a modern home workspace. It doesn't scream office machine, but it absolutely handles like one. It also comes loaded with features like automatic two-sided printing and a 35-sheet auto document feeder, which makes multi-page scans or copies super convenient. Whether you're scanning invoices, copying contracts, or printing out client presentations, the GX2020 keeps up without a hitch. One of the underrated things here is media flexibility. You can print on glossy photo paper, envelopes, banners, you name it, up to 8.5 by 14 inches. And Canon's 4-color pigment-based ink system delivers super sharp black text and rich, vivid colors. So both documents and photos look fantastic. If you're into creating marketing materials, posters, or flyers, Canon's Poster Artist Online tool is a nice bonus. You can design directly from your browser and print professional quality signage right at home. No extra software needed. Canon also backs the GX2020 with a 3-year limited warranty or up to 60,000 pages, whichever comes first, and that's backed by their well-known customer service. For small business owners, freelancers, or anyone needing reliable, high-output printing at home, that kind of peace of mind really matters. At the end of the day, the GX2020 is a workhorse. It's compact, it's efficient, and it delivers real business-class performance from the comfort of home. If you're looking for a printer that can actually keep up, this might be the one. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.